how to fix long loading in Roblox. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, open up your computer search and you want to search for Roblox. Right click on Roblox player, open file location, and then right here on the bar itself, you will left click. This is going to make this appear, and right click and you want to copy this. Once you have copied this, then you will open up your computer search yet again, and this time you will search for graphics settings and you will click on add desktop app. Then you want to paste that link here where it says desktop. You will paste it, press enter, and you want to find the Roblox player and add it. Once you have added it, then you will see it here once you search for it, and you want to set the GPU preference to high performance. So this is very important. This is going to be the first method. If that doesn't work, the second thing that I suggest doing is searching for run, and you will type this percentage local app data percentage, and you want to click on OK and find the Roblox folder here. Then you will right click and delete the Roblox folder, and then you will open up a game from the web, and that is going to reinstall Roblox. The very last thing that I suggest doing, if neither of those worked, is clicking the three dots here and going into settings. You will then search for cache, click on delete browsing data, cookies, history, cache, and just leave cached images and files. And the time frame is going to be all time, and you want to click on delete from this device. I hope one of those methods worked for you. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.